In the fast-paced world of modern industry, efficiency isn't just a goal, it's the key of staying ahead. Now imagine a device that revolutionizes your workflow by simplifying every step of the process. This is the FOCUS-1. The FOCUS-1 has fewer components, which means less complexity. With the FOCUS-1, you need fewer separate parts and therefore less manpower for installation. One person can quickly set it up and operate the device, freeing up time and resources for other tasks. Fewer components also means less maintenance. The FOCUS-1 not only consolidates everything into a single device, it also alerts you when maintenance is needed. This reduces the need for specialized knowledge. Instead, you work with an intuitive dashboard that makes it accessible for more people. The ease of use also simplifies the transfer of responsibilities within your team. So overall, the FOCUS-1 simplifies your processes, allowing you to focus on central points, reduce installation time, and enhance overall efficiency. So let's embrace simplicity together.